Hi everyone, I am Anup Sinha from Jamshedpur. I am a fine art teacher of Rabindranath Bhavan, Tego Society, and now due to lockdown, we are arranging online classes for children, and this is the competition of vertical competition of children only, just like paper 2, paper 1, who is the beginner of the watercolor. And this is the rainy day. First of all, mixing the color blue and black, and now just put on the sky. And floating this like this, floating like this. Now in time is monsoon season, so I am giving the demonstration of children, beginner for watercolor, who is interest for copy from this. Yes, now it is the sky is over. Now you put on green color. Where excess color is sky, then you mix the light green and put into bushes color, just like this. Bushes color is. Excess water, wipe the brushes. And this is not a river, this is a pond of village, pond side. Little girl play on paper boat, how to move the boat on water. They try to his little paper boat, throw into water and see the how to movement in this paper boat. Step by step color. First of all, you give a bright. This is a ground color. This is the pond, the water, and it is the up portion. Up portion. The up portion color is like little bright than pond. So this is the downward. Where you downward, the color mixing and color symbol is a little dark shade. Downward is little dark shade. Understand? Because light and shape is come to this side. This is the super print paper, like a mini cartridge paper, and when you use drawing paper, same paper. Now it is the water. Now it is the water. before this dry, you first of all complete the figure. Just use skin color, brown and blue color mixing. This color is it is the urban girl, little urban girl. The skin color is darker shade. Brown and green and blue mixing. Mixing this color come to this color. Brown, light green and blue color. This is the use first tone color. When you first color use giving, this is the color first color. Okay, first tone. First tone means first color. Watercolor is the process step by step. This is the primary process. First color means first tone. Application of color where the figure or any landscape or anything. When you paint, first of all give a color. Volume color. Light, dark, anything. Okay. After that, when it dry, you use separate shading color. This is the hair color, but hair color is black. I know, you also know, but still, this is the urban girl. This hair is little brown. Now I am use umbrella color. Umbrella color I use bright color. That means primary color. Primary color 3 is first crimson red. You know 3 primary color. First crimson red is the primary color. First one crimson red. Then lemon yellow. This is the now it is lemon yellow, light yellow. You know light yellow. These 3 basic color are primary color. You know. Crimson red, lemon yellow and cobalt blue. Yes, it is complete now. Lastly, cobalt blue. These 3 colors primary color. When you mix each other, they come to secondary color. That is called secondary color. Means when you mix yellow color and blue color, this come to green color. That is called secondary color. So this is the basic step in watercolor. It is also known as the basic. When you are beginners, that's the color concept is clear. Color circle. You learn so many color in these 3 colors. Okay. White is the primary color. This is the natural color. This cannot be made any mixed media or any pigment. This is the God gifted natural colors. Crimson red, lemon yellow. Okay, now I am finishing one by one. First of all, this board, paper board. Okay, just give a simple tonal valuation of the paper. Tonal valuation of paper. Now tonal variation paper, one board, paper board, others is also paper board laying beside him because he was how to movement the water, how to play the paper board on the water. This is the reflection of water. When you press water, then it's come to reflection. And this is a one type of reflection. wavy, you know, this type of. Now I am partly setting portion is this here. First one is over. Now when is the second part? Second part is second. This is the second color is here, little darker than top. This is also skin color, shadow color, skin shadow color. Slowly, when you finishing touch, then you slowly. This is also a shadow portion color. Now his uniform color. Uniform means dress color. Dress color is, I think it is the light orange. Orange and light orange. This person orange, light orange. And other is light blue. Orange matching color is also orange matching color is light green, and light green mixing. Light green is the setting mixing color. Light green, light blue, orange set. It is a little frog. Wear here frog, little frog, and this color is this type of color. And now this white portion is either dark green. Urban girl wear a decorative uniform. Understand? They wear in a type of colorful dress, colorful. They know fascinated in like other town girls or boys. They whichever his parents give him, they wear, and just now and here is little black. This is the one type of weight here, and so this here is color is little light dark, and After dry, I am again just give a outline, simple outline, whichever is required. Hope you will enjoy it and watch this video and try to your own drawing copy and learn from very easily. Now it is a set of person finger. Here finger, after dry you use a dry color. Okay. Now to take two time, so this is the video is to take time and little time. So I am stop my work and this is the functional. Okay, thank you.